We're here at David Phillips UNSW for Ladies Sydney Social Crew tonight. Six-a-side soccer sponsored by Awake Water is this video, and our referees have just arrived and they'll be setting up the pitches. You can see Twisted Kickers just out there having a kick around. They are the early birds. They played brilliantly the last time I was here commentating, and whoever plays brilliantly in each of the games in front of me on pitch 1, pitch 2 will be the far pitch. Pitch 1 here, the player of the match will get a box of Awake Water, the finest water in New South Wales. Tough to carry. I just carried 2 down from the car. I'll give you a hand if you need, ladies, but I will present them after the games.